Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Audi S3. Park on level ground and secure the car, then gather a jack, stands, oil drain pan, wrench set, and new oil filter. Confirm the correct oil grade and quantity for your Audi S3 and warm the engine slightly for faster drainage. Work safely with gloves and eye protection, and follow torque specs when reinstalling the drain plug and filter for a reliable oil change. Gather tools before lifting the car to save time and avoid interruptions. You will need a jack stands, a 15 mm or specified socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, gloves, and rags. Confirm oil grade like 5W30 and the exact liter capacity for your Audi S3. Keep a torque wrench handy for correct drain plug torque and a replacement gasket if required to prevent leaks after the change. If this guide is helping you out, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds ambience and hands-free control while you wrench, making tunes and timers easy. It pairs well with a garage setup and won me over during long maintenance sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes to loosen old oil, then switch off and secure the car. Lift with a jack and support on stands, remove the drain plug, and allow oil to fully drain into a pan. Replace the oil filter and lubricate its gasket, reinstall the drain plug to spec, refill with the correct liters of oil, run the engine briefly, and check for leaks and the dipstick level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.